Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You have both files ready. Start by choosing the source workbook that holds the master values and the destination where values will appear. Begin in the destination file, select the target cell and type an equals sign to start a formula. Then switch to the source workbook and click the specific cell or a named range. Excel inserts a path and reference. This creates a direct link, so make sure both files are saved to avoid broken references. Once the initial link appears, adjust the formula so it behaves correctly when copied. Use absolute references like $1 when you need a fixed cell, or relative A1 for row/column shifts. If linking ranges, convert source to a table and use structured references for robustness. For many cells, drag the fill handle or copy and paste formulas, and Excel will update relative addresses. Make sure both workbooks remain accessible. Otherwise, to finish, save both workbooks and test the connection by changing a source value, then refresh or reopen the destination to confirm updates. If you need control, go to Data and use Edit links to update, change source, or break links intentionally. If values show errors, check the file path and workbook name, relocate files, or reopen the source if necessary. One troubleshooting tip: if links break, opening the source workbook usually restores live connections immediately.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.